Hey, Malico Watson, Miami property boss, Brian Orange Group. Once again, on the cut, just saying hello to everyone out there. Bienvenidos al show, Miami Property Boss. Soy el jefe de propiedades de inversión. Aquí estoy, otro día. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, I am actually the good, the bad, the ugly of investment properties in the Miami area. If you have any questions, or if you're looking to get into the investment side of things, you know, don't be afraid to ask questions. That's what I'm here for. I love what I do. I've been doing it for about 20 years now, with construction included. So if you're looking to buy a property, you know someone who's looking to buy investment property, looking to get into investing, please shoot them to this channel. I am the Miami Property Boss, and I specialize in investment properties. That's what I do, commercial and residential. So if you're looking to get into investment property situations, here's where I'm at. Development as well. We like developing brand new houses. There's a big demand in this area, as you know, for brand new houses. So if you have someone that's looking to get into that kind of development and investment side of it, please have them, check me out down there, shoot them my way. Now, today's a little, I don't want to say a sensitive issue, because all my shit is sensitive to somebody. But, I had a conversation with someone, and she never wanted to get into property investing because she felt that it would be hard for her to literally rule with an iron fist. In this game, you have to rule with an iron fist. If you manage your own properties, you can't allow your tenants to walk over you. You have to collect those rents on time. You have to get paid. And so with that being said, you cannot afford to let your tenants think that you're a pushover and that you're gonna allow things to go unpunished. And with that being said, I always recommend, if someone is late with their rent, you got to get them out of there, man. If someone is handling problems, you got to get them out of there. True story, man. My first investment property, I was married at the time. We had these tenants that didn't pay rent. They were always playing loud music. The lower tenants were always complaining, smell of marijuana and loud music, and people hanging out up front. From tenants who were paying, were complaining about the tenants upstairs who weren't paying. Obviously, I went there to knock on the door, talking a few times about the situation. They act like they didn't care and whatnot. And, well, shit, that's my property. I wanted to evict them. And my wife at the time said, no, we can't evict them. It's Christmas. And so 2 years went past, man. And these motherfuckers lived on my property, damaged my shit. The tenants below that were paying rent moved out, and I actually got foreclosed on. Believe it or not, I got foreclosed on, man. And so with that being said, I learned you can't have a heart when you're in property management. You got to rule with an iron fist. And if you can't handle it, let a property manager take care of that for you, because that's what they do. But you can't have a free-for-all and be the nice person and think that you're getting blessed because you're allowing these people to be late all the time and not pay the rent. Remember, this is business, man. This is a business. And if you ain't in it for business, then that's different. You want charity? This is the wrong show. But hey, God bless you. If you want to do a charity, good for you. I'm talking about business. And if you have a business, that's just the way it is. Sorry about that when duty calls. So, once again, look. Again, if you're interested in investing, but you're worried about dealing with tenants, dealing with people, there's always property managers out there that'll handle that for you. If you have any questions beyond that, feel free to talk to me. I love to talk to people about real estate because that's what I know, that's what I do. So once again, I'm going to end it with that. My name is Malico Watson. I'm your Miami property boss. And if you know anyone, anyone is thinking about getting into investing and they're teeter-tottering on both sides, please have them give me a call. Aquí estoy para la gente que habla español también. Si quieren invertir, yo soy la gente de la gente. Que me hablen, que me marquen, textean, lo que sea, y aquí estoy. Otra vez, yo soy Malico Watson, el Miami Property Boss. Y lo vemos en el próximo, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for checking me out again. Share this video, man. Let's give me some likes, man. Hook a brother up with a little something. It makes a brother feel proud, and it makes me feel that people are actually watching me and learning from me. That's the key here. So, all right, man. We'll see you again on the next one. Peace.